Hello children, this is 5th standard maths. Chapter name is Symmetry, Patterns, Nets and Maps. So in this lesson we are going to learn recognizing the shapes look like a quarters and off full turn, and making patterns by repeating the basic design or rotating it, and make a solid shapes from its net, and calculating distance in map by using the map scale. Now here symmetry. When one shape becomes exactly like another, if you flip, slip or turn it, then shape is said to be symmetrical. And line symmetrical is an imaginary line where you could fold the image and have both of matches exactly. And there are three types of line symmetry. One is horizontal line symmetry, vertical line of symmetry, and diagonal line of symmetry. In the mirror image, we can see that the left and the right side appear inverted in a mirror. So it shows mirror symmetry. So when the left side images, we can see that the left and the right sides appears inverted in a mirror. Then it shows mirror symmetry, with the mirror line being the line of symmetry. Now the symmetry has a plenty of applications in real life, like art and architecture designs, and science and nature too.
Okay. Okay. Now let's see this side.
Finished? Now fold it.
Now fold it.
Fold and press.
Okay. Okay. Now it will become a beautiful butterfly.
Butterfly. This is a symmetry. You colored only one side, left side, but after folding, right side also, you got same images, same corner, same images. Okay. So this is a symmetry.
After we draw a rainbow, if we fold, it will be a butterfly.
Become butterfly. This is a mirror line. The center line, mirror line. Show me mirror line.
The center.
That is a mirror line, symmetrical line. Now example for symmetry. Example for symmetry. So here this is a rectangle shape. Okay, rectangle shape. When you fold this, so one paper is overlapping to other. So edges are closed. One is overlapped to one edges is overlapped to other edges. Here also one edge is overlapped to other edges. No extra pages are seen. Sorry. So this is vertical line of symmetry. There is a vertical line, the standing line. So it is a vertical line of symmetry. So in rectangle we can try horizontal line also, fold like a horizontal line, and check the any extra pages after folding. No, one edges is overlap with other. Here also one edge is overlapping with the other. Okay, no extra pages or no extra sheet is seen here. It's closely, both the corners are closed together here. After folding, both the corners are folded together, and if you cut into two pieces, it both look like similar. The both, if you cut this here center, the symmetrical line, then both left and right both look similar, then that is called the symmetry. So here vertical and horizontal line of symmetry in rectangle shape. Now in square, this is a square. Square have how many symmetrical lines? So here, now this is a square shape paper, fold horizontal, both the lines are overlapping, both the side Okay, this page is overlapping to other page, this also overlapping to other pages and corners also. No extra pages or no extra line is seen here. Okay, both equally closed. Or you cut into two piece, cut and make it two piece, both look size are same and both look similar, same size. Okay, then it is called symmetry. So this is a symmetrical line. One more square, no, vertical over, then horizontal, fold it. Here also no extra page, it is a overlapping, both are overlapping, no extra pages are seen in the both. Okay, edges are, one edges is same, similar to other opposite edges, this edges is similar to opposite edges, same shape. Or you cut into two piece, the both the size, both the image look similar, same thing, and this is a similar. So one over, horizontal over, vertical over, then we try diagonal. Yes, square we get diagonal, but in rectangle only two symmetrical line, in square we get four symmetrical line. Okay, so here also when you fold the diagonal side, it is overlapping. Okay, closed, corners are close to, one corner is closed with other corner, then this is a symmetrical line. Third line diagonal over. Okay, then one more diagonal we can try. So square have four symmetrical line. Axis of symmetry also we can say, four symmetrical line, four symmetrical line. So this is over. Now circle, circle we get many symmetrical line. So close, semicircle, no extra pages are seen. Okay, or you cut and make it two pieces, both the pieces look similar, same. Okay, left pieces is similar to right size. So here one size over, then this way also we can fold. So two symmetrical line, or vertical and horizontal, and anywhere, any diameter of many symmetrical line we get in circle. Okay, oh, this is also symmetrical shape. And here kite, how many symmetrical line here? Only vertical. Corners are, one side corner is joining to other side corner, no extra pages are seen. So only vertical symmetrical line, we can't get horizontal because see extra pages is here, corners are not joined together. So this is not symmetrical line, only vertical line is a symmetry in kite. That is over. Then heart shape. Heart shape also we get vertical symmetrical line. One page is overlapping to other page, no extra corners, corners are joined, one side corner is joined to other side corner, no extra pages are not seen here. And we can't get vertical over, we can't get horizontal. This corner is different shape and this corner is different shape. So it is, see, extra pages are seen here. So only one symmetrical line, that is a vertical symmetrical line in heart shape. Square we know 4. Rectangle shape we know 2. Okay. Then here mango shape is given. Whether mango shape we have chicken symmetrical line? No. The corners are not joining one another, it is not overlapping, so extra pages are seen. And if you cut into two pieces, you cut and make it two pieces, this left side is different from right side. Here the corner is there, sharp edges, here it is a curve place, curve side, and here it is a sharp edges, that shape is not here. Okay, so when you fold, or it is not overlapping and extra pages are seen, corners are not joining together. Recalling things means mirror images. Mirror images means take a piece of paper and write A and stand in front of mirror. So this is a mirror line. Okay, write A and stand in front of mirror, you get same letter. You can see same letter A, similar way, same way. Write H, same image in mirror also, reflection. I same images in mirror, same side also, it is not reversed, it is similar way. M also you get same, O also same, T also same, U also you get same, V also same, W also you get same, X also same, Y also same. These letters appear same in the mirror image. Okay, right, take one piece of paper and write A and stand in front of mirror. You can see A in mirror also, same way. Okay, similar H or all these letters, but it is reverse. These letters are reverse in mirror images. B look reverse, inverse. C look reverse. D look, this is written in the page, and this is a mirror reflection. D is reverse, E also reverse, F also reverse. It is a mirror image. Okay, right side is mirror. G look like this, J look like this in mirror, K like this, L also this way, N is a reverse inverse. This is a mirror. These letters appear reversed in the mirror image. So in exam all, where you get mirror and check the letters. So in a one paper, write in dark pen ABCD. ABCD, A to Z is written. Now turn the page and check the letters reflection. So here A looks similar, same in back side. So here I written, and this side A looks similar, B is reverse, C is reverse, D is reverse, E is reverse, F is reverse, G is reverse, H looks similar. So in mirror also you get same similar images. Okay, Q is reverse, P is reverse, O looks similar, N is reverse, M looks similar. Okay, then L is reverse, K is reverse, J is reverse, and I looks similar. Okay, then X looks similar, V looks similar, W looks similar, V looks similar in mirror, U looks similar, T looks similar, S reversed, and K letter is reverse, and Z, Y also reverse. This is a mirror reflection. Okay, first I written in a page ABCD with the dark ink. Okay, then check the reflection in the opposite, this side you get mirror reflection words. Now recall exercise. Put right on the lines of symmetry, line of symmetry, and cross on those that are not line of symmetry. Now here circle. So here semicircle. If you cut this side, both the side look similar. Okay, same size. Then this is S, and vertical also symmetrical line, because in circle we get many symmetrical line. And here you cut this side, both up and down images are same or look similar. So this is S, but vertical wrong. Vertical line, if you cut this side, it is not matching. Figures are symmetry means both the side should be matched. So here this is symmetrical line. Fold it, it will overlap, or this look similar to this side. But vertical means it doesn't look similar. So vertical symmetry line is wrong. Horizontal is correct. And here horizontal is correct. This line is correct. When you fold, up figure is similar to down figure. So D is correct. But vertical is wrong. The corners are not matching. When you fold, here the corners, this is a standing line segment line, a curve lines. It is not matching. Both the sides should look similar. Okay, this is right and this is cross. And here diagonals, rectangle, no, diagonals are not symmetrical line in rectangle, because it is not overlapping, but square, vertical are yes, vertical line is yes. Now put right on the figure that are reflection to each other. So here mirror reflection. Mirror reflection means some letter look reverse. Okay, L look reverse, but here they given similar way, so it is wrong. L look reverse. So L is mirror reflection is this side, this way. Okay, mirror reflection is this side, and here mirror reflection will become ulta, and this is correct. In D we get reverse, so this is correct. And triangle also it looks reverse. This should be the mirror reflection word. So this is wrong. So it's only B is correct because this is correct, reverse. In mirror, this image D will appear reverse, and L also appear reverse way, like this, not this way. Triangle also appear reverse way, not this way. Now here third main, put a right on the symmetrical shapes, draw a lines and symmetry. When it becomes the symmetrical shape, if any one symmetrical line is drawn in the figure, if we can draw any one symmetrical line, then it is a symmetrical shape. So check whether vertical line means it looks similar, and horizontal also similar. So here this way also we can try, this way also we can try. Vertical means when you divide vertical, left and right images are same. Okay, when you divide horizontal, top and bottom images are same. So two symmetrical lines there. So this is S. C only horizontal. Horizontal means this corner will top corner is joined to this here bottom, and here also it looks similar. So this is yes, horizontal, not vertical, only horizontal symmetrical line we can. But here we can't try any vertical also. Right and left side is a different shape. When you cut like this, cut into two pieces, left it should be, after dividing both the left and right images should be similar, same type. Okay, here left side is images is different from right side image if you cut means, or this way horizontal, top of the image is different from bottom of the images. So this is not. Here we can try horizontal, top of image is similar to bottom. Okay, so we can, here we can try, this is a horizontal, then it is, if any one symmetrical line means there is a symmetrical shape. Draw the reflection of these shape with the dotted lines as mirrors. So this dotted line is a mirror images. So here this is M we get same reflection, M letter we get same reflection, and here reverse. So this side is given, so here reflection, arrow marks is reflected images we get in mirror. So write M in a piece of paper and stand in front of mirror, you get same M images. Here it is reversed. B also we get reversed images. B also reversed images. Next, fifth main, draw the next two figure in the pattern. So here mathematics everything is a pattern. Some pattern is related to the arrangement of number or a tables. Tables also a pattern, ascending order, descending order, everything is on order or in some pattern. So here first one triangle is given, square, then circle, again which will repeat triangle, square, circle. So it is in first triangle, second square, then circle, again triangle, square, circle, triangle over, what will be the next shape? Square, then next is circle. Okay. Write the next two terms in the pattern, 1, 3, 5, 7. Check which number is this. This is a odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So here odd number pattern is odd number pattern arranged in an odd number. Pattern means it is arranged in an odd number. Here the arrangement is first is triangle, then square, then circle. Again triangle, square, circle. So again triangle, square, circle. Now symmetry and reflections. Draw a circle, color it and draw a line of symmetry. This is a lab activity. You try, children. Draw a circle, color it and draw a line of symmetry on it. Here diameter, all diameter are a symmetrical line. Symmetry on it. Now place a mirror along the line symmetry. See reflection in the mirror is one of a reflection of the other. Try with the symmetrical shape. Place a mirror here. It is given. In a symmetrical shape, if a mirror kept along the line of symmetry, one half is reflection of the other half. So here, a mirror is kept here means the reflection of half of the figure will get in mirror. Okay, one half of the reflection is get in mirror. So here, half of is drawn, the other half reflection is we get in mirror. Now exercise 13.1. These shapes have been cut along the line of symmetry. Place a mirror along the line of symmetry to see the complete shape, to draw the shape. This is homework, children. You can try. It is a similar way. Okay, and color it. Here also similar way. Color it, children. This is homework. Yeah, heart shape. Yeah, one side of image is given, we have to draw other side. Color it, children. Then turning shapes. A shape can be turned in either the clockwise or the anti-clockwise direction. It can be turned just a little or by a full turn. Let us see what different shapes look like after the turn. Now here, look at the arrow of the center. See what it looked like after turning the clock and anti-clock by a quarter turn. Does it look different? So here, if the turn is this way from right way, this is a clockwise. If turn is left side, then it is a anti-clockwise. Okay, right side is a clockwise and left side is anti-clockwise. So here arrow mark is anti-clock, straight and clockwise. Turning this way, this is a clockwise, and this way, this is anti-clockwise. Now look at the square. See what it looks like after a quarter turn. A red dot has been put in the one corner to show the turn. Does it look different or similar? Because square now we can identify. So here one dot is written. If clockwise means the dot will come here. And anti-clockwise means this dot will come here, this side. Try this, children. Some shape look different after a quarter turn, but other look similar. Some shape look similar, but other look here now. Half turn. Rotate the arrow above by half turn. Arrow by half turn means, so here half turn means downward. Okay. So here that arrow is here. Rotate the arrow above by half turn. It will look like this, whether you rotate it in a clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Okay. What will square look like after half of rotation? It will look the same. This way. Half way. Whether you rotate it clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. So here half rotation. When you rotate in a clockwise or anti-clockwise, it looks similar. Half rotation. But in a triangle, it looks different. So here half rotation, whether you clockwise or turn into clockwise or anti-clockwise, the direction is same in here arrow and square, but in here triangle it look different. Now exercise 13.2, put right mark on the shapes that look the same after the quarter turn. Make a dot in a corner to help you. So here similar means there should be a more than two symmetrical line, then only it looks similar. C and D. So more than two symmetrical line we have. In square circle we get more than two symmetrical line. Then it look in half turn also, quarter turn also it looks similar, because square circle we have more than two symmetrical line. So here also we get more than two symmetrical line. So here this dot, these two are put a right mark on the shape that looks same after quarter turn. If here it is not more than two symmetrical line we get, only two we get. Here also square, rectangle also only two symmetrical line get, but square, circle we get more than two symmetrical line, right, left, anyway, and star also. So these two, if you turn anyway, you get the same images. Put a right mark on the shape that looks same after make mark a dot in the corner to help you. So here see on the shape that looks same after. So after means this is a turn, after means again it looks similar. After means again it looks similar. After means reverse means it, so this is A and B after oval shape, no? If you turn down it looks similar. Okay. Then H, no. If you after me it become I shape. After me it become I shape, no. C also looks similar. Green will come up and here green, here red. So it looks similar. So which one? A, B, C. H look like I. When after it look like I. And here it red will come up, green will come down. Next, draw the shape as it look after a quarter turn and half turn in the clockwise direction. Here quarter turn means this way, quarter turn. Then half turn means this way. It will come like this. Okay. Now here quarter means it will come like 8. Again half means again it rotating means it like this way. Quarter turn like this, then again turn means like this. This is quarter standing line. Again turn means after means Z. Z means it looks like N, quarter. So you turn like this, the same shape you get in quarter. Okay, so here Z look like N and this look like this. It is a quarter shape. Then after is opposite of that. So here N shape. We get N shape and here same Z shape. Again N shape is turn off means Z shape. And this look like the corners will reverse and like this. Next, patterns. Observe these patterns. It is made by repeating the designs. So here some design is given. For example, a saree in a dress material also we get different shapes of design. And in nature also children, a leaf, a different leaf have a different pattern. Okay. And in tree, each leaf has a similar pattern. Size is different, but the pattern is similar in one tree. Leaf in a one tree. A tree, it looks similar. So patterns, observe this pattern, it is made by repeating the design similar way. In this pattern, the same design is rotated by quarter turn in anti-clockwise direction and then by quarter turn in clockwise direction. Here the arranged or pattern are similar. Here they are different way. Here then quarter rotation. Okay. Then again like this clockwise anti-clockwise is given. Standing, sleeping, standing, sleeping, sleeping, standing, sleeping, standing. So here also it is given different way. One is top is down, here up. Okay. In this pattern the same design is rotated by half turn each time. So here sharp corner is down, here sharp corner is up. So off rotation, it is, everything is there, clockwise, anti-clockwise, and off rotated, everything is given here. Same design, rotated by half turn in each turn, either in clockwise or anti-clock direction. You can use the other rotation also, how in this pattern is made. Okay. Now exercise 13.3, study how the patterns is made, draw the next two design each. So here color it, children. Now upward, down, corner is down, corner is up, sharp corner is down, again sharp corner be up, then this sharp corner be down. Okay, sharp edge corner is down, up, sharp edge corner is down, up and down. Okay, and square is given with the different colors. Now here, look at here, this red color is this way and this way red color, again this way. So here red color should be, maroon color should be these two side. Color it properly, children. Then this way, maroon color. Okay. So here this way, left side and right side, left side, right side, left side. Oh. Then green is up, down, down here. Then it will come this side, green. Green will come this side. And green will come here, this side. And blue will come here. Blue will come, color it properly. Okay. Now arrow marks, right side, top, left side. So after left side, which side arrow mark will come? One, yes, clockwise, upward, anti-clockwise, then it will come down now. Down, then again this way. Half rotation. This is half rotation. Right side clockwise, then quarter, left side half rotation, again right side. Now here circles are given, circle with the different, two circle, standing, sleeping, standing, sleep, again stand. Okay, standing, sleeping, standing, sleeping, standing. Now color it, children. Please color it. Here green, here yellow, and here green, here yellow. Now here put wrong mark on the incorrect design in the pattern and the correct. So here pattern is given. So here this is a way corner. Then little turn means it become. So this way little turn means it become like this. Okay, that is correct. Both are correct. Then turn means it will come like this. Correct. Then turn means it will come like this. But so third one is wrong. Fourth one is wrong. First turn, second wise it come like this. Third way, yes. Fourth one is wrong. Here ball, little turn, red, yellow. Okay, it will come like this, red and yellow. Okay, stand will become sleep. Again similar way, but color will change. Here green, yellow, up red. Okay, here red, here yellow. Okay, yellow is come reversed, color will reverse, not similar. Okay, this is a shape. Then little turn means here this way, red and hand. Then next turn is, yes, this is correct. Yellow will come, red will come here. And same way, yellow. Yellow, red, then turn means red, yellow, and turn means red, yellow. So this is wrong. Third one is wrong. So here should be red, here should be yellow. Clockwise. Okay. Turn, just a turn, yellow, red, red, yellow. But here given yellow and red. That is a mistakes. So here this is given like this, then turn means it will become like this. Yes, correct. Then turn means it will become like this, then turn means it will become like this, then turn means it will become like this. Okay, so first one is correct, second turn also correct, this way rotated like this, and this is also correct. Fourth one is wrong. Fourth one is after little turn, a quarter turn means it come like this. Then the first images, first and last should be similar. Okay, okay, this is first, second, third and fourth images. Fifth is same, again it will rotate, first, second, third, fourth, again it will rotate. Now here box, yellow, green, a little turn means this red will come here, green, and this is also current, the green will come here, rotate means it will come here, second line and third line, and it is also correct, fourth, and first and last should be same. So this is a wrong. Okay, green, this green dot is green here means it will come second line. Okay, and next it will come third line, third box green, then third box it will come fourth box. Okay, first is, then it will come here this side, yellowish green should be here. So this is wrong. Numbers number pattern, look at the series of numbers 1 2 4 8 16. This is called the series. Some arranged, the numbers are arranged, the order is in a particular arrangement, then it is called a series or a sequence. So look at the series of number 1 2 4 8 16. So here order is arrange the number in particular order. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2. In each case multiply with 2, into 2, into 2, into 2, into 2. Okay, that is a pattern. Can you say whether the next number will be 16 into 2, then that 32 into 2, like that? Yes, each number is double the number before it, or 1 is double to 2, 2 is double to 4, 4 is double, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16, 16 plus 16 is 32, 32 plus 32 is 64. Okay, then look at series 2 5 8 11 14. 2 is odd number, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 2s are 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. No, not like that pattern. 2 plus 1 3. Here 3 is added in each number. Oh, 3 is added. 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 3 is 14, 14 plus 3 is 17. So here 3 is added in each number to get the next number. What are the next two numbers? 14 plus 3 is 17, 17 plus 3 is 20, 20 plus 3 is 21. Let us look at more difficult patterns. 1, 3, 7, 5, 15, 31. 1 plus 3, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7. Yes. 1 plus 3, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6, double. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1. Double the number plus 1. So 3 plus 3 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14 plus 1 is 15. 15 plus 15 is double. Double of 15 is 30. 30 plus 1 is 31. 31 plus 31 is 62 plus 1 is 63. 63 plus 63, then we have to add it. Can you figure out rule following make this pattern? Okay. Next is triangular numbers. The number which can be arranged as dot in a triangular pattern are termed as triangular number. So it is 1. So 1, 2, 3, it is a triangle shape, and it is also a triangle shape. Then it is a triangular number. Number 1, 3, 6, 10, 15 are called the triangular numbers. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 10. This is called the triangular shape. So we can get different number in the square numbers. Number which can be arranged as dotted as square pattern are called square numbers. So here 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 2 into 2 is 4, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Square shape. So 3 into 3 is 9. Here square shape dots are in each row 4. 4 into 4 is 16. and square numbers. Square means multiply by itself. Number 1, 4, 9, 16, here we get only square number, are called square numbers. These are product of the number 1 to 3 multiply by themselves, then multiply by itself. 3 into 3, 2 into 2, the same number we have to multiply. Some more patterns, study the pattern given below, write the next two terms. Okay. Now exercise 13.4, what rule followed to get the following pattern? What are the next two number in each patterns? So here what rule followed to get the following pattern? What are the next numbers? So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So this is the odd number. So what is the next odd number? 11. What are next two number? 11. 11 after 11 next odd number is 13. Okay. Then B1, 1, 3, 9, 27. It is a tables of 9. 1, 3 is a 1 is given, then 3 to 3 3 is a 9. Oh, multiply with 3. 1 into 3 3, 3 into 3 is in each cases into 3. 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27, then 27 into 3 is 81, 81 into 3 is 243. And C1, 2 3 5 9 17. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 3, then 3 plus 1 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 4, yes, here 2 plus 1, here 1 is added, here 2 is added, 3 is added, 4 added. Check children. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3, no, 5 plus 3 is 8, here 4. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, and 5 plus 4 9, 9 and 17 means how much added? 8 is added. So we have to check the. Now here 2 minus 2 plus 3. So we have to check what is the pattern is arranged here. So here C1, no? Check the C1. Here 2, 3, 5, 9, 17. 2 plus, what is the arrangement? 2 plus 1 is 3. Then this 3, 3 plus 2, 5. Okay. With 5, 9, we are getting 9 means what number we have to add? 4. With 9, we are getting 17 means which number we have to add? 8. Well, this is a pattern. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2. So 1, 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, like that. With 17, we have to add. So here pattern 2, 3, 5, 9 written. 5, 9, 17. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. That is a pattern. So which number is added? 1, 2, 4, 8. 1 to the 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Then 8 to the 16 we have to add. 16 means 33. Then with this 33, 16 to the 32 means 65. So what is the next pattern? 33 and 65. Then next we have to try with the next number D1. 1, 4, 3, 13, 40. Check the pattern. The 1, 4, 13, 40 is a number. So 1 with 1, 4, okay, 13 plus 40. These are series. 1, 4, the same number we written here. 1, 4, 13, 40. So which number we added to get next number? 1, 4 is here, then 13 is here, and 40. Next number. 1 is over, 4 is here, 13 here, 40. So 1 with 1, which number is added? 3 is added. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 13 means which number we have to? 9. 4 plus 9 is 13. So 3 3 is a 9. 9 3 is a 27. Means into 3 is added. Second number 1 into 3, 4. 4 into 3 3 is a 9. Plus 4 means 13. Then here 3 3 is a 9. 9 3 is a 27. 27 3 is a 81. 40 plus 40 also given, no? 90, 40 plus 81 means 121. Again with 121, 3 over 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27, 27 3 is a 81, 81 3 is a 121, 81 3 is a 243. No, not 243. 81 3 is a how much? 3 1 is a 3, 243 meter. 243. 121 plus 243 means 364. So here arrangement is 1 into 3 is 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 9 is 13, 13 plus 27, okay, 13 plus 27 is 40, 40 plus 81 is 121, 121 plus 243 is 364. That is the arrangement. Now we have to check E1. E1 is 1, 2, 5, 14. Write the number 1, 2, 5, 14. So some numbers are added here that we have to find. Dash, 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 dash. Equal. Then write the number 1, 2, 5, 14. Given number and from 2. Answer is 2. Here 5 and here 14. So 1 to 1 which number is added? To 1 which number is added? To 1 which number is added? 1 only. 1 plus 1 is 2. With 2 we are getting 5 means we have to add 3. With 3, okay, 5 over. With 5 we are getting 14 means which number we have to add? 14 means 9. Okay, till 14. So 1 3 is 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81, 81 3 is 121. So, okay, that is a. Now 14 plus 27, 14 plus 27 is 41 here. So here 41 plus 81 is 122. So here the given number is series are written here and answer also 2 5 14. 2 5 14. Leave 1 first number. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 3. This is the filling the blanks. 2 plus 3 is 5. Then 5 plus 9 become 14. So what is the series arrangement? 1 into 3 is 3. Each cases 3 is multiplied into 3. 1 into 3 is 3. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 3 is 27. 27 into 3 is 81. Cube numbers. 3, 9, 27, 81. Cube numbers are added here. Okay, it is a square patterns. Now here 1 over, 2 over, 5 over, 14 over. Next number is 41, 122. Now you try this second one. Write the multiplication table of 6 and find out the pattern it follows. Means table of 6 you have to find. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. Then we have to check. Means what is the pattern? In each case 6 is added. Okay, there is homework. 6 1s are, write the 6 1s are tables and write the difference. How to find the difference? If here series are given means 3 minus 1. And 9 minus 3, 27 minus 3, 9, 81 minus 27, 243 minus 81. Then, yes, preceding term and first term, preceding term and the term, preceding term, okay, next term and preceding term, next term and preceding term, okay, next term and preceding, minus it, 3 minus 1, 9 minus 3, 27 minus 9, 81 minus 27, 243 minus 81 means T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2, T4 minus T3. So you get the pattern. Okay. Now here write the multiplication table of 6 and find out the pattern it follows. 6 was the tables and check. In each case 6 is added. Next find third question. Find any two number which are both triangular and square numbers. So triangular and square means 1 is a square number and 36. Okay. Triangle square. Fill in the blanks with the odd number in sequence and find the sum. So any odd number we have to find and fill in the blanks with odd numbers in sequence and find the odd numbers in sequence and find the sum. Any here you can write any numbers. 3 plus odd number we have to write. 1 is a, yes, 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 is a square number. Then here 1 plus odd number only. After 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. Square number. 3 3 is a number. 1, 3, 5 means here some relation, very good relationship between the odd numbers and the square numbers. They are like cousins. If you add the odd numbers, you get always square numbers only. 1 is a square numbers means the number 1, 4, 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9, 4 fours are 16, 5 fives are 25. Means multiplying with the same number. This is square. 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 3, 9. Means multiply by itself. If you add odd numbers, always you get square numbers. There is a very good relation between odd numbers and square numbers. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 is a square number. 1 plus 3 plus 5, odd numbers, no? 9. 9 is a square number. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. How much next square number is? 9 means 4, 9, 16 I think. Yes, 3 plus 8, 8. 8 plus 9, 9 plus 7, 16. Here 1 plus 3 plus 5, odd numbers are added here children. Then plus 7 plus 9, how much? 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 7 is 16, 16 plus 9 is 25. Always again 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 10, 11. 25 means 36. 25 plus 11 is 36. 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. All are square numbers. Check the answer. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 9, 25. 25 plus 1, 35, 36. So this is homework children. What do you notice? The sums. So sum is always square numbers. Show the next two square number by shading dots. This is a homework children. Shade it. Net square. Square means square shape. Triangle means triangle shapes. Color it. Shade and color it. Next is net. You can open out the unfold a cuboid box into flat shapes. So it is opened cuboid shapes. So here we are getting flat shape. You can fold the flat shape back to make the cube. So here it is like a riddle. So open, cuboid is open. Now we have to again fold it and make it cuboid. So you can fold the shape back to make a cube. Similarly, you can fold this flat shape to make a cuboid also. Okay, cube and cuboid. The flat shape is known as the net of the solid shape. This flat shape is known as a net. Here we can, with the help of friend, which is a friend, top, bottom, front, side. With the help of this, we can arrange it. Okay. Page number 190. Look at this solid shape in front, side and top view. So this is a top view. Yellow color is a top view and this red color is a front view and this is a side view. So yellow color is top view, red is a front view and side is green is side view. Now next, exercise 13.5. Now exercise 13.5, match the solid shape with the net. So here some solid shape is given in a second line. It is opened. So here circle, both the sides circle and top bottom here. In which sides two circle are here. So here this is a match it here. And yes, triangular shape. Yes, this is only 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 1, 2, 3 and back side. Back side is 1 and this is 2, third, fourth. 4 corners and the base square. So this shape. And see 1, 2, 3 and this is center. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here this is C and fourth is one circle and cone. So this is a shape. Head shape. Now second main. Exercise 13.5 second main. Label the front side top view of the each solid. Here only answer is given. This is top. Red is front. Green is side. So yellow is top. Red is front. It is a front look. And green is side look. So here top. Which color? Green is top look. Front look is yellow. Red look is side. So yellow is front look. Green is top look, red is side look. Here top is green, front is yellow, side is red. So top is green, front is yellow, front, then side is red. Now fifth main, match the houses with their floor plan. So square shape, and here door, this is a door, so here also door is given. Window, both the side window, so this is a net and the actual picture. And these two shapes look similar, no? Door, front door, two windows. Okay, then last one.